A very good morning to grade 2. Again we are here to understand what about chapter number 11 say and explain to all of us. The chapter name is Plants Around Us. So in previous topics we talk about why plants are useful for us and what type of food material we get from plants. And I already show you different kind of videos as well which just correlate to the topic. Now, today we are talking about some more things which we get from plants. That is not from the edible material but the different type of things. Yes, of course, plants gives us fibers as well. We are wearing clothes or we are using different type of things that is come from plant. Yes, we know about the name cotton. हमने cotton का name सुना है. Our parents, even we also wear different type of clothes in which we are wearing cotton clothes in summer season. In summer seasons, most probably people wear cotton clothes. Can you tell me why we are using cotton clothes in summers? Because it keeps us cool. वो हमें ठंडा रखता है. It keeps our body cool and it absorbs extra sweating comes out from our body. So that cotton come from the plant. जो ये cotton है ये कहाँ से आती है? That cotton comes from the plants. We take that cotton, we make it clean, हम उसे साफ करते हैं and after that we wash them and then we converted it into a yarn. हम इसे yarn में change करते हैं and then we make it into, you can say, different very thin threads. We convert it into threads and then we make yarns and we prepare cotton materials. These materials are using to make our dresses. We are wearing skirts and frocks. We are wearing shirts as well. Our mama wearing gowns, cotton gowns at home. So all these kind of cotton fabrics and you can say cotton clothes, these cotton fibers coming from the plant. Now have a look of different kind of fibers which we get from plants. Now after cotton we get one more fiber from plants. Can you please guess from which you can say fiber we are making sack, we make ropes or you can say mats. हम ये सब किससे बनाते हैं? We use jute for that. हम उसके लिए क्या use करते हैं? Jute. Yes, that jute is also come from plant. We get jute from the jute plant and we make ropes, we make sack and we make mats as well to wipe our feet. So we get all these things, we make all these things from jute and that jute comes from jute plant and that jute is also a type of fiber. And this jute is very, very strong and powerful. This kind of ropes we are using in different type of things to pull up. Yes, and that jute come from plant as well. Now we get cotton fibers from plants, we get jute fiber from the plant. So plant is not only used to be our edible part but plant is as well used in fibers. We can take some things from that plant and we make it fibers to use in our day-to-day life. Now we can use wood as well in different kind of work of plants. Now have a look of that. After that we want to know that not only fibers coming from plants but we are using wood as well of the plant, a big plant, to make pencils, to convert it into pencils, to make doors, to burn firewood or you can say bonfires, as well as to make chairs, tables, doors, windows and you can say almirahs or you can say board as well And the most important thing which we are making from wood, or you can say plant, that is paper as well. Why we are again and again say you do not waste paper in the class? Because paper comes from the tree, or you can say plant. So we do not waste papers, because by getting few papers we have to cut down our tree. And we, to make our environment so refreshing, to make our environment fresh, we do not cut the trees so much, but we have to complete our daily routine necessities also. So we need all of them. For that we need to use papers as well, but we have to take care that we do not waste papers. कि हमें कोई ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ रही है बट फिर भी हम पेपर्स में ड्राइंग बना के उसको रोल करके फेंक रहे हैं, उनके प्लेन्स बना के उड़ा रहे हैं क्लास में. वी नॉट एबल टू डू, वी कांट डू दैट. हमें ये नहीं करना चाहिए. दैट इज़ नॉट अ गुड थिंग. सो वी try to use less you can say tree or papers. So all these things also come from plant. We take wood. With this wood we make pencils, we make doors, chairs, windows, tables, and make bonfires, all these things. By this I end up today's session here only. I hope you all like that. So thank you so much students. Please see all the videos of your lectures. Thank you so much.